Good afternoon, everyone. How's it going? I'm Laura Daniela Naranjo Molano. Next, my plans and prediction for the coming holidays, Christmas and New Year's. Eve. I'm going to travel to Aguasur on Christmas. I'm going to buy gifts. I'm going to buy a Christmas tree. I'm going to visit the park. I'm going to enjoy the Christmas. I'm going to visit my grandmother in her house. I'm going to cook the Christmas dinner. I'm going to sing the Christmas carols. I'm going to visit my sister. I'm going to shopping. I'm going to visit the Christmas tombs. I'm not going to travel to Cartagena. I'm not going to work in the holidays. I'm not going to studies in Christmas. Next prediction for New Year's. I will travel to Cartagena. I will buy a car. I will buy a bicycle. I will buy a house. I will be on the time. Thanks.